Welcome back to the channel. Hope you had a great week. It's Friday evening. It's been 30 degrees outside today and we're loading the bus full of timber, which means we're building. So the girls are bringing me down all the timber. We've got 20 lengths for a stud wall, so I'm hoping that's going to at least do mine and Nicole's bedroom. So it's loading it all into here because we're taking the bus up to the shed this weekend. Have 2 days on it, see how we get on. I think it's going to be warm up there, but we'll see how we get on. Phoebe's now here with an expert. It's like a little production line out here, which I'm going to show you. Thank you, Phoebe. Oh, Luna's here with hers as well. Indy's on guard. We got Poppy with hers. Sorry, Summit. Sorry. I'm going to be in trouble getting the twins mixed up again. And then we've got Poppy here.
Hi.
Hello. How many more to go?
About 5 or 6.
5 or 6. How many have we had in total?
Don't know.
No. Nicole's broke the curtain. Hello, Nicole.
That's a good
This is in the background there, destroying everything. So,
Can you open?
getting done.
That's every single one.
So we've got all the wood in now. This is why the doors on the bus are awesome. Allows us just to get extra supplies in.
You've got tools, wood, everything.
We've got tools and wood, and we've just got a bit of tidy up now. It's been a bit too warm this week to tidy up. So I'll get tidied up and we'll be ready to move in the morning up to the shed. So we've got the sliding saw again. I stored this in my mum and dad's garage after building this bus and it's gone a bit rusty, but it still works. But the blade's the original blade, so I've just purchased 2 new blades.
I thought it was free.
Oh, was it free?
Yeah.
So we can change the blades on this and give it a bit of a clean tomorrow to start cutting the wood. So we're back at the bus. The kids helped me get the wood in, which is great. And we're going to start building some walls, which makes me very excited because as much as we probably shouldn't be building a wall today, we had the budget to buy some wood. So we brought some wood. And I'm building something. Today is the first day we're officially putting something back into the purple turd. That is not deconstruction, it is construction. So we've got a saw ready, all set up. We've got his wood. We've got, what else have we got laying about that we needed? Let's have a look. We've got, what we've got at the end, we've got the cutter, which is working, look. Which makes all the kids jump, because it's very noisy. Poppy brought up my right angle, there, look. So tri-square for making sure we cut when we measure correctly to use the cutter. So let's get straight into it. Let's get some wood cut and make a wall that we don't need yet, but we're going to build it anyway. Yay! So the first wall we're going to build is this one on the back of the stairs. Now, this, I believe, is going to be the wardrobe for some of the girls. It's like a bit of the wardrobe, it's not all of it. But I don't want the we're keeping this window in, obviously for light on the stairwell. So I only want the wall to come up to the window. And I've not built a stud wall for 3 years. So we'll start off by building a little wall here for the wall there. So let's get to it. Measure. So we've got this metal bit in here which we'll need to cut around when we go around it to make sure we don't, but we use it for some support. So Poppy, the first measurement we need is 96. Do you want to write that down, Poppy? No, we can remember that. We just need the pen out of the box. Pen. Someone pass me some wood over.
Where's the pen?
There's a pen in that box somewhere, if you have a look. Let's have a look. Got all my helpers today, he makes it quicker. Thank you. Pencil, that'll do. Right, so put that down there somewhere. 96. The other thing to note as well with obviously building the purple turd, we are using like 6x2s on the turd because there's that much limited space. We use much thinner wood, and sometimes when you lean on the walls you can feel the movement. So we're going for thicker wood this time, so we don't have that problem. What was my measurement, Pop start? 96. Alright, well, 96. So we put that on there, little mark, and we need to get a tri-square. 96. Right then.
Let's cut it.
Let's cut on the saw. Better go get my PPE, otherwise you'll all be in comments. Yeah. I've just remeasured that after saying it was 96 because we've gone 72.5, which will bring the wall out to here because we are going to put a little wall like an L shape in so it comes to here. So Poppy's going to get that loaded up on there for me. I've got my year 10 or year 9 safety goggles for your experiments at school. Let's have a look. It's been a long time since I've used this. Let's have a look. That's fine. So put that in there. Okay. I'm not going to cut my hand off, don't you worry. That's on the line. Alright, are we ready? Goggles on. Everyone clear? Nice and straight.
Very straight.
Right, Poppy, going to measure this next bit then. Yep. Okay. What is it? Okay, so you need to go 60. And then what's the next biggest number?
2.
And then
5.
yeah, so what's that to be? 62 and a
5.
yeah, half. Right. So get over a bit of off cut that we've got from that. 62 and a half. Yep, that bit of off cut. Pass that down. Right then. Okay. 62 and a half, Poppy.
Yeah.
So 62 and a half. Put a little mark on the half.
There.
So it'll be here, 62 and a half there. There, yep. And then you need to get your tri-square. Where's the tri-square gone? Oh, we've lost the tool already.
Got it.
Got it. Right, so you need to line it up with that line. So put it on like that. Yeah, and it holds it there, look, it's got a lip. So line it up. And you want to draw a line on there against that. That's it. Perfect. Do you remember doing this last time?
Yeah.
Yeah? Right then. So that needs to be chopped. Let's get it on the chopper. I haven't got the safety crocs. I've actually got trainers on for once. I feel very insecure. Right, let's push this over this way a little bit, because last time when I went to push it in, it got stuck on the cable. Right then, so line that up and get that ready to choppy chop chop. Everyone clear?
Yeah.
Very good.
Where do we put this bit of
Just keep it spare because we use it for the next bit.
And then that should just
Perfect. Perfect, Poppy. Well done. Right, then Pops. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. That'll do. Thank you. So we've got us up right here into the actual frame of the bus, makes it nice and solid. We've got us up right here, which is obviously a bit loose on that side, but once we've put in top and middle, that'll be fine. We are just going to ply this. It's just so, for me, I would leave it open, but with the kids, I don't want them to come in the middle of the night, come down the stair or the alleyway. Yeah, and knowing you'll tread there and go straight down the aisle. So it's a little bit, it's not very high, it's only knee height, but it just stops them coming down. So let's get this top piece in and put one brace in to make sure it's going to be solid enough. It's been a while since I've built any of these, and I'm not the best at it. So I've never been trying how to do it, but I've got me. It's getting there. So next bit will be the top bit. I have measured this; it just sits just slightly flush with that. So from there, Poppy, what's that read? 71 and a half. Need another piece of wood. Bring me another piece of wood. We'll get this measured and cut and get that in. I will not fall down the stairs. Just crack the wood because I've not pre-drilled it. Got to remember to do that. Oh, need to pre-drill. I don't know why I didn't think of that. Duh. Get me some drill bits out of my box, please. I know. I know. It's been too long.
Where are you
Doing one of the side bits. Right. So it's first wool's in. That's good. Now obviously I've used right angles on this. I have ordered the tool for the right angles to do this properly, which we'll use on the bigger stuff. But just for this little wall today, I'm using this. Just get me back into it. Make me feel good. Make me feel like we've done something and put something in. So we'll get the next 50 in, and then we'll start going across.
So we've now built this. I say we, Conrad's built it. So we'll get some thin sheets of ply, and we will make sure that that's all boxed in. can use that for running cables, and then before we block all of the sides in, we'll make sure all of our cables. Yeah, put some lights up, put our light switches up for upstairs and downstairs lights, so that as we're going down the stairs we can turn the lights off or turn them on.
So next plan was to build the wall where Luna sat filming, yeah, in this bedroom, but I've not thought about it because I need to put the ceiling in to be able to connect it to, because it's slightly different to the fleet line, and we need to run the cables, so we need to measure up for the roof. But we need to get like the curvature in it to get the right depth. So if you put it on that corner there, and this is where I cry because it won't go in one sheet. So we wrap it. Yeah, you got it. Keep twisting it. Oh. It is 215.
215.
I'm going to take it down. Oh, keep it on. Is that you putting that down? No. It's not right on the edge. Is it right on the edge? It's not right on the edge. Go again.
The remnants of the stickiness is helpful,
Yeah,
isn't it?
because we're not going straight. It doesn't give a true accurate reading. Why is it bending like that?
No idea.
Right, here. And the reading we get this time is 215. So I bet if I look at a sheet, it's 210 because that would be my look. So 215.
Yeah.
215, right, let's see what we can find. Is that fun, Poppy?
Yeah.
Poppy's got her own little construction site going off.
I've got all those in.
Yeah. Where's the dump truck go now?
Give me that one. Luna can do it.
Luna's going to do it. He's turning it on. Go on then. Oh, going backwards. Go on, Luna, dump it on the floor.
All my hard work.
God, it's too hot for this. We've been filming for a couple of hours. We haven't been filming for a couple of hours. It's now 4:30. My friend, 5:30. My friend turned up. Dave, massive shout out to Dave. Thank you very much. Came with a scaffolding tower. He said you can use it for 4 hours and it's got to go back. So in that 4 hours, we didn't get camera out, but we did do this. All our solar panels are now attached to the roof. Not even budging, nice and secure, bolted straight into the roof and done. So yes, we are a little bit warm. It's absolutely killed me that, it's boiling in here. It's about 30 degrees outside again, so plenty of water, we're all good. The good thing is now, all the cables are down this side of the bus, so we can start cabling up and running cables down from the roof, through the back, down obviously to where the MPPTs are going to be. And I can do that from my ladder, so I don't have to go on the roof again until we paint. I'm not painting under the solar panels this time, I will paint around them. But the rest of it will just stay as it is. We have had the hose pipe on it and it's not leaking. There's 2 little leaks which we have since filled and not a problem. So I'm now going to go and have another drink and we'll make a start once I've cooled down. Such a warm day, but look at the view. Beautiful skies here at the shed. I just can't cool down nice. I'm so hot. We're going to run a 12 volt system on this, really random, but we'll tell you how it's going to be. So the solar panels will be 12 volt, 2 panels, 2 separate banks. So if we've got redundancy basically, if one breaks or one's in the shade or whatever, we've still got power coming in. We're going to do in 12 volt, run 2 MPPTs, which is fine. And that's basically it. The fleet line is 24 volts. It's been nothing but hassle being 24 volts. So 12 volt, keep it simple, lovely jubbly. Now, one thing that I've always wanted to do, so I've made one. We've got a cost chart. So, the turd cost us £3 so that's including getting it back in and obviously bits and bobs that we needed. What else have we spent money on, Nicole? I can't even remember. So we've done
solar panels.
They were, can't remember, £297 all in.
Right, in brackets for 4.
Times.
No, not times.
Not times for 4. It was
in bracket.
But we know how many panels we've got. We've got 4 panels.
Right, okay.
Okay. Then we had solar accessories, and that's coming. That's 100 meters of 8mm cable. We've gone really thick on that.
Your connectors.
And connectors that came in at £167. Obviously, we still need to buy MPPTs and all that for that. We've brought some wood so far. There's going to be lots of bits that repeat themselves, but the wood we brought for the walls that we've done today, there's enough there to do, I reckon, most of the walls, was £87. What else have we spent money on? There's been nothing else, has there?
Table.
Tables? Cables and the solar accessories. We've got
brackets for the solar panels.
That was in that as well. That was included in that.
So really,
so at the minute we're what?
3,500 in?
Yeah.
Just over 3,600.
Obviously, in the next couple of weeks, we're going to need MPPTs. We're going to need inverters really to start putting power in. We're going to need the cabling for the lights. Figure out what lights we want to put in. So we're going to have a chat about that moving forward. It's getting to that part of the build now where I need to start actually being a little bit more organised. I'm not just coming up here and destroying stuff, we're actually putting stuff in. The wool's great, that's in. I feel a lot safer up there now with the kids as well, so just because it's even just with the structure there, they're not just going to walk and then fall down that massive hole.
Like this.
I can see it happening, it'd be me that it happened too, I can just imagine it. So yeah, that is that. We've been very lucky that we're not had to pay for the tower today, which has been a massive help. That's saved us a lot of money, not having to hire that. So that's a bonus, so we're thankful for that. So yeah, that's what we're up to so far. And we'll keep going in the money pit.
In the hot weather.
In the hot weather. I'm going to finish this video here because I need to go and get changed, I need to go and have a shower, and I need to go and have a cider. So thank you so much for watching. Leave any comments in the comments. Leave any comments in the comments. That would be very useful. And we'll see you next week on the next one. Have a good one.
Also, make sure that you like and subscribe.